Joined us, and I want to welcome everyone to the sixth day of Swamiji's discourse on leadership lessons in Ramayana. So we'll give it off to Swamiji here. I just wanted to post in the chat box the link to the Guru Dakshina webpage. If you'd like to offer Guru Dakshina, please do so by clicking on that link. The same link is available on our website, chinmayamissionpittsburgh.org. Swamiji, welcome, and please take over.
Hari Om, Swamiji.
Hari Om.
Hari Om, Swamiji. We can hear you now.
Shall we start?
Yes, Swamiji.
Om Sada Shiva Samarambam Shankaracharya Madhyamam Asmadacharya Paryantam Vande Guru Paramparam Kujantam Rama Ramedi Madaram Madaraksharam Aruhya Kavita Shakha Mamde Valmiki Kokilam Ramaya Ramabhadraya Ramachandraya Vedasya Raghunataya Nathaya Sitaya Pataye Namaha Anjana Nandanam Veeram Janaki Shokanashanam Kapishamakshaham Taram Vande Lanka Bhayankaram. So we are there in decision making. Whatever Sugriva. So the decision making, when Vibhishana arrives, he wanted to join with Rama's team. So at that time, whether Rama includes Vibhishana or not. So that is the episode here. So in the beginning itself, our Sugriva told we have to kill him. That's all. No second thought. Sugriva's opinion. Then next, Rama asked, this is the time. Whenever we get a very critical time, we have to discuss with our own people, then we have to take decision. This is what Rama says. And after that, he asked Angada, hey Angada, what is your opinion? Angada says that, Satroho Shakashat Sampraptaha, don't have any trust on him because he has come from Satru. This is Angada's opinion. So yesterday we have studied. Sharaba, he told that just to send some spy and find out what he thinks. Then afterwards you can include or not. Then you can take decision. The next person, Jambavan, says this is not the right time and right place. He arrived here. It's okay. So we can include him, but we have doubt in his intention. Why? The Desha Kala is not right. This is Jambavan's opinion. Then afterwards, Mainda. So this is what we have to see. Till Jambavan we have studied. The Mainda. So one more, the Vanara leader is Mainda. We never heard this kind of, this is not very popular. But they're all leaders. Anujo Nama Tasya Esha Ravanasa Vibhishana. He says that he is brother of Ravana. Vibhishana is well known to be the younger brother of celebrated Ravana. Anujaha Navatasya. Ravanasya Anujaha. Who is that Vibhishana? Vibhishana is Ravana's younger brother. Prachatam Madhurena Yam Shanaihi Narapatishwara. Or Narapati means Rama. Oh Rama, you send someone and just ask very nicely how to speak. Madhurena. Gently. Vibhishana, where are you coming from? Why you have come here? For what purpose you have come? Very nicely you have to ask him. Sweetly. Madhurena. What is your idea, ma? Why you have come here? So, Rama never laughed to that, hearing this kind of ideas. Sometimes when you go to some meeting, you ask some people if they say some idea, the idea will not suit to your decision. So even though you get laughter, you have to control. What kind of idea this fellow is giving? Being a leader, you should have control over your laughter. Madhurena Prichatam. You send someone. What idea this leader is giving? See Rama's condition. When Valmiki also, when he was writing this kind of message, Valmiki would have laughed. What is Madhurena Prichatam? You send someone, let him talk very nicely, very gently, and let him know his intention. This is Mainda's opinion. Then last hour, Hanuman comes there. Hanuman's opinion. Rama asks, Hanuman, what is your opinion? So when Hanuman's presentation is very beautiful presentation here, because it will take more time, that's why I didn't touch it. The Ramayana course will see this very elaborately. So yesterday we have started Ramayana course. There we will see elaborately how Hanuman presents. So here Hanuman rejects the idea of Sugriva. Very beautifully rejects Sugriva's idea, Angada's idea, and Jambavan's, Mainda, all these people, Angada, Mainda, all these people, Sharaba, without telling their name, he takes their opinion and rejects. And he says, I don't think Deshakala is the reason. Deshakala is the reason. Jambavan says, hey, this is my idea. Hanuman never rejected. I reject Jambavan's idea. I don't like Angadan's idea. If you say name, they will get hurt. Then we say this is issue based, not person based. We say so many times like that. Issue means what? Issue is connected with that person only. So without telling their name, he takes up the issues and rejects very beautifully. How to reject our own relatives and friends' ideas in the public meeting. We have to learn from Hanuman. Very beautiful idea. Very nicely, one by one, he rejects. Rama also watching how Hanuman speaks very nicely. Without hurting our own people, you have to reject them. So we also reject in our own family. Before they express, we reject. Don't talk, okay? Stop it. I know what you are going to tell. First, let me express my idea. I know. You stop it. I have been living in this house more than 20, 25 years. I know what you are going to tell. I can read your mind through your eyes. Stop it. Like so many years are going like this. How to say no, how to reject the idea you have learned from Hanuman, particularly in this context. Then afterwards, Hanuman expresses his opinion. Hanuman, akara chadyamanopi na shakyate viniguhitum. Rama, even when it is being veiled, one's intention cannot be fully concealed. Even if you try to cover your idea, your intention, you cannot cover your intention. Baladhi vivurnotyeva bhavam antargatam nirnam. Whatever the man has got inside the intention will reveal itself. Hanuman says the face is the index of the mind. So mind is coming through your face. Just look at his face, then you can understand whether his intention is pure or not. This is Hanuman's idea. Very practical. Very practical. Then you take your passport, you go and you enter from other country, particularly to US, not other countries. The way they look at you, you feel that whether I have done some mistake in the document or not. All my documents are okay or not. Suddenly, if you get small, very small, slight tension also, that reveals your intent, mind. Come on, go to that room, finish. More than 2 hours, 3 hours. Even if you get your own doubt about your own document, this is whatever we think that reflects on our face. When we go to party, there also our friends are, how are you? Fine, I'm fine. I'm very happy. Your smile is not good smile. Even though you show yourself you are happy, I know you are not happy. I'm happy. This is not good smile. So we can, even though they try to cover, we can understand they are covering it. Inside they are not good. See, everybody's experience, we have this kind of approach to find out the mental intention. Hanuman is very, very practical. Simply, no need to send and ask Madhurena or send some spy, nothing. Simply, you go and call him, look at his face, you can understand very, very easily. Because Rama is a very, very powerful personality. Ramayana says, the Rama's abilities, once Rama sees any person, he will understand top to bottom of his history. Loke Purusha Sarajñah. Valmiki says, Rama knows the Purusha Sara, the essence of human being, he can understand in one meeting. In our case, in the 20 years also unable to understand who are you. Are you Devata or Rakshasa? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Rama. Once he sees, he will understand. Hey Rama, it's very easy to understand the Bhava Mantargadam Nirna. Therefore, it's very easy. This is the idea of our Hanuman. Now, the Rama comes here. Okay. So Rama received all the great leaders' opinion. Before taking the decision, you have to ask the opinion. Rama has his own, what is that, idea, how to take decision. But before that, you have to ask. Then Rama expresses, Sa dushto vapi adushto va kimesha rajani charaha. Be he wicked or otherwise, dushtaha adushtaha. He may be wicked or not. Kimesha rajanicha. Rajanicha, one who moves in the night, during night time. Is this a ranger of the night, moves in the night, capable of doing the subtlest mischief to me in any way? Sukshmam api ahitam kartum mama shakya katanchana. Even the subtlest mistake or small mistake, the iota of mistake also he cannot do to me. You don't worry. Hey Hanuman, Jambavan, Mainda, Angada, Sugriva, particularly Sugriva, looking at Sugriva, you don't worry. Whether it's a dushta or adushta, sukshmamapi, he cannot do any mistake to me. You don't worry. Pishachan, Danavan, Yakshan, Pruthivyam, Saiva, Rakshasa. He says that. Oh, my dear friends, Danava, Yaksha, Agres. Whether it is Pishachi, Danava, Yaksha, Pruthivyam, Saiva, Rakshasan, Angulyagrena, Tan Hanyam. He says the Rama. With the fingertip, I can kill anyone in the world. This is called heroism. So this kind of heroism you can see in the movies with all background music and a very good setup from 4 or 5 places the camera. Okay. So here the original hero says, Angulyagrena Hanyam. Angulyagrena Hanyam. With my fingertip, I can kill them. Don't worry. Don't worry. I have the ability to do it. Then Rama decides. Then he decides, he says very nice kind of slokas. So all the Saranagati slokas are coming here. So we are not touching the Saranagati and Bhakti aspect here. Only management aspect we are touching here. Is it okay? So now after that he includes. Vibhishana came and he did the Saranagati. The inception is over. He includes. And all these people are looking at each other. Then why he asked us? Opinion. You have to ask opinion, then have to take decision. Before taking the decision, he asked the opinion. Now, team building. The team building, you have to ask opinion. You may have your own idea. The final decision you may have in your mind. But even though you have a final decision, you have to consult with your team members. They feel very happy. You You take your own decision, but you have to consult. Oh, they asked one word to me. I'm very happy. Without asking them if you take decision, they're not happy. So you are giving importance to their idea also. So the team building, how to make team, otherwise the team will collapse. If you include one person, the remaining people will go away. Okay, new party has come, you go with him. You go, you do all activities with him, he'll go. Their expression will be like this. Transparency should be there. I'm going to take decision, please you all come, we will discuss together, then we will. Otherwise, Rama will send all the leaders, you ask Vibhishana to come there. I will first talk to Vibhishana, then I will deal these people, dealing Vibhishana and dealing existing people, then you cannot deal the whole team. Dealing means what? Tackling. Here, team building, the transparency is there. Okay? Joy among the members. If you ask the opinion of the people, you respect them, their ideas. You may not be accepting their idea, but you bring your own idea, but you asked them. So this is the opinion. Can you give your idea? And they are very happy. All the team members are making the team members very happy. In every place, you have to take the people along. The existing members should be there. At the same time, you have to receive new people also. Cooperation among the members will be there. If you ask their opinion, there will be cooperation. Otherwise, if leader takes individual the decision, people will not cooperate. Even though they come, their involvement will not be there. Simply, their physical frame will be there, their mind will be somewhere else. You ask me, that's why I'm coming and sitting here. They'll sit like this only. They will not look at the program or simply they sit. Only physical presence will be there. The involvement will not be there. So if you respect their ideas, cooperation among the members will be there. Members' contribution to the system. They contribute totally. And if they are angry, they will not contribute. So they will exist in the system for the Nama sake, they come and they will do all the things. Contribution will not be there. The full involvement will not be there. There are no suppressed feelings of the members. Sometimes the leader is very powerful and the members, they do not know what to do. They suppress their feeling. In front of leaders, they smile and they do all this kind of work. In the absence of leader, they come together and talk all bad things about the leader. Suppressed feeling. Whenever they get chance, they come together, they talk bad about the leader. This is the Rama's leadership. There is no such thing. No gossiping about leadership. They are completely truthful. Already they are devoted to Rama. Even though they are devoted, Rama can take decision himself without consulting them also. But he is teaching us how to take decision in our house, our company. This is learning from Ramayana. Ramayana is already hero. Don't need to ask anyone. No. Even though he has that kind of ability, so he is teaching us how to make team, how to take the leadership. It's a very powerful teaching from Ramayana. Very nice teaching. I hope you understood, you received some points from this episode. He's not ordinary kind of leader. Individually, he can do anything. Okay? Now, we're managing different personalities. This decision making, not every time you have to call people and ask opinion, and they will get irritated again. The decision, every now and then if you call, what is your opinion? What is your opinion? So I want to buy car. So what kind of car I can buy? So this is your individual personal life. You just discuss with your 2-3 people in your home, then finish it. Your personal things, you have to discuss with your people. Professional things, you have to discuss with them. First, you should not be intermixed. And the personal also, not every time you have to ask your people. Even the company also, small, the micromanagement, you can manage. But it's very big, then there you have to. So the decision making also, when to call people, when to ask opinion from the people, when not to ask opinion, So all this discrimination should be there with the leader. That is highly practical. From one incident, what are the things we can derive from this incident? We derive, and we have our skill how to apply that in our company. Is it okay? Now, managing different personalities. So same kind of people we want to have in our team to complete any task. Same kind of people. First, they have to align with my mind. And they have to align themselves. Then only you can form a team. Wherever we go, we will not get that kind of team. We have to make team. We cannot ask boss, give me this person, give me that person, give me this. If you give me that person, then I don't make me leader. Okay, I cannot manage this fellow. Please remove this fellow from the team. And boss says, there is no other way. You have to keep this fellow in. See, he disturbs the whole system. You have to have the disturbing personality also in your team, and you have to manage. Therefore, your name is called manager. Otherwise, name manager doesn't have any meaning in it. Chief executive. So you have to execute through these people. So they will not come under your fold, but you have to take them under your fold and you have to execute. That task. All the mental game only. So they try to escape from your hand and you try to catch them. And work should be done. This is my management and execute. You have to execute that. So different personalities in Ramayana. Now see this different personality. First, Lakshmana. Rama is having Lakshmana with him. Whoever scratch Rama, then Lakshmana will go and hit that fellow. Sugriva scratched slowly, tested Rama. Lakshmana got angry with Sugriva. So Lakshmana is highly, whenever something wrong happens to Rama, Lakshmana will become tensed. You are a very tough person. Completely devoted to Rama. Second person, Sugriva. He told that I will come and help you. Then he went and he started drinking and sleeping, enjoying all Gramya Sukhas, completely forgotten. This kind of person. Now he comes and he tells that, hey, don't include Vibhishana. He's completely, he want to get property and possession of Lanka. Don't include this. We have to kill this fellow. See what kind of the expression, what kind of person. You have to have this person also with you. We cannot expect, Rama should not expect that Sugriva also should think like me. No. So Rama's thinking is totally different. Sugriva's thinking is totally different. But he is very devoted. That's okay. So you have to have Sugriva kind of people. Angada. There is the problem between Sugriva and Angada always. Whenever Angada gets depressed, whenever he gets depressed, at that time Angada used to scold Sugriva. Because of Sugriva only I get into this kind of problem. He only brought Rama and killed my father. Sugriva. Always he has got that kind of thought in his mind. My father is Vali. Sugriva brought Rama. This kind of relationship. Rama should handle Sugriva and Angada. Rama knows that. So Sugriva, because of Sugriva, Vali killed. And Vali's son is prince, he is king there. So there will be always some doubtful relationship, doubtful view between these two people. Rama should handle that. The team. Now you understand how Rama handled Sugriva and Angada. Neela. He was the commander-in-chief for all the monkeys. Neela. Nala is an architect. He's a very powerful person. This is also a very powerful person. And even though he's a young age, Angada is young age, these people are little elderly people. Because of the position, Vali's son, Rama has given the prince post. You have to give position to Angada. Hanuman is very, very perfect. Only one person in your team will be there like Hanuman. Very rarely. If you find a Hanuman-like person, he will not stay with you for long. He will get transferred, then he will go to other place. Why? My luck is like that. Very rarely we get with full understanding. The person with full understanding, very, very rare. If you get only one person in the team, the whole team you can lead. Because according to your thought, that person also showed that suit. Okay, then Jambavan, the old person. You have to handle the old person also. Senior most person. But the senior most person always they want to give opinion, even though you don't ask. Why? Their nature is like that. Balastavat krida saktaha. Tarunastavat taruni saktaha. Vriddhastavat chinta saktaha. There are so many worries, so many experiences they want to talk. But nobody is ready to receive the advice and ideas. So you have the Jambavan like old, very senior most person, the young person, the problem between inside the group, and this person is very devoted to me, very nice, understanding person. There are so many people. And Vibhishna also comes now. Vibhishna comes there. When Vibhishna came, these people did not accept. And then Vibhishna, hey, in the beginning you didn't accept. Now you accepted me. So Vibhishna had that kind of thought. Now Vibhishna is included. Now you accept me in this company, but in the beginning you didn't accept. We will tell like that only. Afterwards we become so thick friends. When problem comes, we'll talk. Now it's okay. Now you are very much in the beginning. What you told to this manager, I know that. When problem comes, we'll bring that kind of that words also. You see, all these people Rama handled. Okay, the team during the task. The team during when they were doing this kind of work with this team, Rama executed building the bridge in the ocean. In our case, during the team, during during the task, okay, during the task, first that we will send Sugriva out. When we take the Sugriva, you are disturbed, please get out. Go to Kishkinda, go. When Sugriva goes, Angada also goes. And Hanuman will be there. Jambavan will say, I have a headache. I will go to some other forest. And Vibhishna says that, okay, I can go to my place, Lanka. All these people will go, only Hanuman, Lakshmana and Rama will be there. Only 3 people. Suppose if we take the task, during the task, so many people will lose. I know you agree with my idea. So many times you take up, suppose you fix the bus and one excursion or some pilgrimage to go to then Kailasa Yatra. And you have to first come to India, then you go to Nepal. When you land India, at that time you say, I don't want to come with this group. I will have South Indian tour, then I will go back. I'm not coming. 5 people will go. When the team goes to Delhi, 10 people. I cannot. What Kailash? 50 people started. Only 25, you reached Kailash. Team during the task. Because so many things will come. The leader should manage this kind of problem. So during the task, you say how they worked, okay? And afterwards, end of the task, during a team, after the task. After the task also, you see the team. Everybody was there. Nobody has gone. In our case, during the beginning of the task, big gang will be there. During the task, 50% has gone. End of the task, only we will be there. No crowd. That is not good management. The beginning also, during the task, at the end of the task also. So how he managed different personalities and managed it in the different, used different approach and made the task completed. The management. The work should be completed. We need to have resource and understanding their mentality. According to that, he also approached. He made very nice affinity among them also. Very nice task. Okay. Now the management thought is very, very nice management thought. Coming together is beginning, remaining together is progress, working towards success. This is very popular quote. You must have heard somewhere many times. Perfectly, this 3 lines will suit our Rama's leadership. Coming, we will come. We will not remain. We will not work. Only come, it's okay. Here we will get 100% mark. Remaining, okay, 50%. Working, 10%. Our leadership. Bring the people first. Then we have to understand their mentality. Remain. So this is beginning and progress and success. So all the 3 things you can see in Rama's leadership. Because adjustment, if you become leader, it's not a position, this is a responsibility. Leadership is a responsibility. So many people, you become a CEO of the company, hey, congratulations, we have some party. I will come, we will celebrate. Sir, CEO is not giving the party and all, this is a responsibility. So we celebrate, he has gained the position. So this is not a position to celebrate, responsibility. Because gaining the position is very good. Somehow you got the position, but you have to retain the position and you have to bring the success. There are so many things after gaining the position. So we celebrate once if you get the position, we celebrate. That means we don't understand the power of the position, responsibility of the position. Okay? So Rama is a very good leader. Now moving to the next point, leader's emotional balance. How Rama handled the different personalities. Emotional balance is very, very important for any leader. So leader should have control over his emotions. Then only he can become leader. See, in the leadership, here heart is there, okay? The heart. Heart, you will put a symbol like this only. Okay. Okay, heart now. Good. Now here, this is the head. Head. Okay. Head. The head of the family. Head. Okay. Head. So here you get all kinds of feelings, emotions, not feelings, emotions, yeah, emotions, all emotions, jealousy, anger, the competition, not spirit, the competitive mood, anxiety, excitement, tension, all kinds of the leader is completely occupied with this heart, emotions. When he occupies with the emotions, he cannot think and he cannot lead. Simple. The total capacity, whatever the capacity he has with him, all the capacity also will be for that. Will be gone from him. Why always emotions? One emotion, the tension comes finished, he cannot think. If desire comes, cannot, jealous comes, cannot think. So the leader should have completely, the emotional balance. The leader also will get all kinds of emotions will be there. So how to balance and how to lead? The head will be always it should be above the emotions. Then only he can lead the emotional balance. Okay? Rama, emotional balance, when you look at it, you should have problem. You should have a problem. So in the midst of the problem, you have to execute. Then only the emotional balance has got some meaning in the line. Without a problem, we can lead. There's no problem, I can lead, sir. This is very easy. So I have no problem, nothing. So I can take the program, then I can lead. Sir, I have so much of problem. Already I'm packed with the problem. Now I'm leading. There comes the problem. You will completely drop. Even one problem comes, you will drop the whole idea. You will resign the job. Suppose the manager has got a very good position in the company, and if he gets a personal problem from his daughter or from his son or from the family members, if he gets only one problem, he is unable to manage the family problem, he will resign the job and move away from the company. So only one problem. Now you see here Rama's problem here, life situation of Rama, I'll tell you. Okay. First forest life for 14 years. No basic comforts. No basic comforts for Rama. Forest life, 14 years forest he has to live. First. If somebody asks us first to get out from the house, first to leave the comforts, that's all. Our life is gone. This is a life situation. Then the father's death. Father died. So Rama did not do the last rites for his father. Second. So what kind of pressure he has got in his head, in his mind? The father is so much of fond of Rama. Rama also fond of father. Second, mental pressure. The brothers are suffering. And not only I am living in the forest, my brother Bharata and Shatrugna also in the same kind of forest life, they are leading there. So one more pressure on his mind. You see that, how Rama lived. So Rama is always conscious. Bharata also living there. Like me, whatever I eat, the same food he is eating there only. The same for Nandigram. He is not living in Ayodhya. He is out of Ayodhya and living in the village. Wife separation, finished. Very nice wife, dedicated wife, I'm telling. The great, the companion of the life, separated, finished. This also he has taken, high level of pressure. What world will talk about me? So I'm the hero of the epic. So I lost my wife. I do not know where she is now. High kind of pressure. Friends' commitments. Because of Sita's the problem, Jatayu died. Unnecessarily, Jatayu has given up his life for me. So many friends are suffering because of my problem. Other people also suffered. Time limit to complete the task. I have to finish this 14 years. I have to come back. If I don't come back exactly on that day, Bharata will die. He will jump into fire. So the different kind of pressure. Time pressure also is there. So many pressures, so many the life situation Rama had in his life. Okay. When we get even one problem in our life, heart attack, first stroke. Second problem, IC. Third problem, Paralok. You will not manage. Otherwise, the man will start doing all other bad kinds of habits. He will develop. Why? I want to get the relaxation. I want to get out of the tension. That's why I started doing all kinds of bad things in his life. Started using drugs, this and that. The path will be completely different. See the Ramas. What kind of mental pressure he has throughout his life. I hope you understood this, okay? So with this, having this kind of mental pressure in his personality, the task he has taken up many tasks. When you have only one problem, he will not do any work. Simply he will sit in the sofa or somewhere, then simply look at the sky. Then the tears will flow in our eyes. He will not get up. Only one problem. Having all kinds of problem. No, is that Jata's cremation. With that heavy heart, he did Jata's cremation himself in the forest with Lakshmana. Blessings to Sabari. So Sabari is waiting. I have to go and to bless the Sabari there. He went to Sabari's ashram. He was talking to Sabari and he blessed Sabari. So he cannot say, Sabari, I am not feeling well. So Sita separated. Please, you go to heaven, I will come and meet you there when I come to Vaikuntha Loka. You cannot reject. You have to complete that schedule also in your schedule book. He has to go to Sabari and bless. And killing Kabanda and Virada. Even in that pressure, he has to kill Virada and Kabanda. 2 people were killed. And Sugriva was testing Rama, whether your power is good or not. Because you have to kill Vali. And Sugriva has to test. And he made friendship with Sugriva with that heavy heart. Vali, and he has to kill Vali. Vali has so many questions, and he has to explain what is dharma and adharma. It's very, very clear head he had. He has to explain all dharma to Vali. And as the inception of Vibhishna into his army. As a people, he handled all the people to include Vibhishna in this. Now only we studied how he handled the situation. Building the bridge across the ocean, very heavy work. Heavy work. Bringing the monkeys and bringing the resource material from so many places, and you have to build very technically, and you have to go there and go there. War with Ravana and his army. With a heavy, with a heart. So many tasks in his life he has accomplished. This is the mental balance of Rama. Very powerful, the lesson we have to learn from Ramayana. How manager should manage. He has to manage the task in the company. At the same time, he has to manage his own emotions also. Tough job. Because manager is a top person. If he goes down, other people will go down. This is what Krishna says to Arjuna. Arjuna, if you go down, if you're mentally depressed, so other people will look at it, they also will go into depression. So you have to get up, fight. Tasmad Vidyaso Bharata. Very powerful message. You are not ordinary person. Yadyad acharati sreshtaha. Taddadeva itaro janaha sayad pramanam kurute lokas tadana vartate. Please get up. You are not ordinary. So this is leader's basic responsibility. Leader should not have this kind of imbalance of mind. So he has to balance his mental. He should not show his problem also out. Very high capacity is needed to become a leader. By chance, we may get leadership, but it is very difficult to handle the situation and position. Retaining the position needs extra capacity. Sometimes people will get lily about the manager. Where is this man died, you become manager. Oh, very happy. I go and sit in the chair, the revolving chair. Next day, problem comes. He will resign and run away from the company. So sitting in the positions that we should develop that kind of. See the Rama's life. Okay. Control over the emotions. No emotional decision. Balance between emotions and work. This is called Rama's emotional balance. Control over the emotions. To control the emotions, the man should have self-control. And during the emotions, he should not take any decision. Every now and then, if he becomes tense, then he should not take decision. You are not fit to become leader. So balance between emotions and work. So you have to suppress these emotions and you have to work for the company or the society or the family. So the leader should keep his head always above the emotions. That's the point. So that point we can learn from Rama's personality. Very brilliant kind of the personality. Valmiki brings out very, very nicely. If we churn his life history, then we can take so many lessons like that. Is it okay? Mental balance. So we take our life, how we handle the program. Moved out. We call it moved out. Every now and then the person becomes moved out. Moved out, the emotions are overcoming. Emotions are handling us. How to suppress it, how to control it. When we are very enthusiastic, and energetic, at that time it's very, easy to control this emotion. So always we have to train ourselves in such a way that the enthusiasm should be there. I don't know how to tell. Enthusiasm. When emotion comes, then just you should know how to take it away from the mind. Not giving a space to entertain it. And you should not talk about that also. Suppose somebody has done something to you in your life, so you are avoiding that person. You don't want to see that photo of that person also. Photo of that person. You try to take that person from your mind. You avoid, you take that person's photo like that. In the same way, how you are avoiding, the same way, if emotions comes, then you should know how to avoid this. Physically, if you know how to train, the same training we can put in the subtle level also. Avoid it. It comes. So you have to learn this kind of emotional control from Swami Vivekananda's teaching. When you read Swami Vivekananda's teaching, get up, fight. You are not weak, you are strong. Get up, fight. You are not very ordinary. You got all the inspiring words of Swami Vivekananda gives you the leadership power, enthusiasm. Okay? Whole Bhagavad Gita is meant to get up from this emotional breakdown. Our Gurudev says this is Arjuna's disease. Not a psychological disease. This is Arjuna disease. Arjuna disease means what? Overpowered emotions going down. It's very difficult if you are very emotional, if you go down, it's very difficult to pull you up. It's very difficult. Hours together you have to talk to pull this person out. 3 hours, 17 chapters. Krishna spent 17 chapters to take this fellow up. Then afterwards only he told, Karishe vachanam tava. I spent 17 chapters to pull you up. Very emotionally, it's very difficult. We call it counseling. To have this healthy mind, healthy emotions itself is greatest blessings from the Lord. No need to have much money. No need to have dollars, money, property, big house, bungalow, car. This is nothing. When we have very nice, very happy mind, that itself is rich life. That we should learn from our scriptures. All Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says to Arjuna, you have to get up, be enthusiastic. Get up. Here, Rama is executing that. Whatever he executed in Rama Avatara, he was giving the message to Arjuna in Krishna Avatara. First he did, then he told. Okay? It's a very nice kind of thing, very practical kind of thing from Ramayana. The emotion balance. They will acknowledge the members. Acknowledging the members. So a big team. Angada, Sugriva, Hanuman, Nila, Nala, Mainda, Dvida, Jambavan, very big team. Lakshmana, so many big team. Vibhishana, and crores of monkeys, they worked for Rama. All the directions they went and searched Sita and came back. And finally, they found Sita is there in Lanka. They made bridge, built a bridge. They went there. There also they were fighting with the Rakshasas. So many months they were with Rama and they contributed their best. Okay. So when they finished this work, Rama, now see, Sugriva, Angada, Hanuman, Jambavan, Vibhishana, Lakshmana, Bharata, Shatrus, so many people. His list is very big. Krishna almost with the Pandavas only. Pandavas and a few people. But here Rama, you saw it. Gang is very big. They worked constantly for Rama. Again now, the first is when they finished this war in the Lanka war is over. Ravana was destroyed. All the Rakshasas also finished. Everything is over. Now everywhere is Shanti, Shanti, Shanti one. So monkeys are taking rest. At the time in Lanka, after the war, immediately, Rama asked Vibhishana, come here. whatever the property you have, please distribute the gift to all the monkeys here. Vibhishana went and brought. Krita prayatna karmanaha sarva eva vanaukasaha. Sarva vanaukasaha means all these monkeys, okay? Ratnaihi arthaischa vividaihi sampujyantam Vibhishana. Oh, Vibhishana, please give some gift to this people. Immediately after the war, let all the monkeys and bears without exception who have fought diligently be duly honored. You have to honor them, okay? With the precious stones and riches of various kinds. Ratnaihi arthaihi vividaihi. Ratnam, you give them Ratnam or give property or that. Whatever you have, give them very nice gift. Sampujyantam, we have to honor them. Oh, Vibhishana. But we will take all these people to Ayodhya during this coronation of Rama, Pattabhishekam. At that time, end of the Pattabhishekam, we can give. That is different. That will be a little bigger one. Immediately. So you got success, pass mark. Some exam, very difficult exam, you just pass. Immediately you give some sweet, whatever you have in your home. Then afterwards you call all the friends, then you make a big party. So that is, what do you call it? Completely organized way of giving party. That is different. They'll inform all the people. Immediately you have to give something. So that kind of recognition our Rama was doing. So everybody should learn this. This is the place where we miss the leadership. Immediately after the war, he started, come on, give something. First let them have something. They have to, immediately they have to celebrate the success. Give them something. This is what Rama told. And Vibhishana brought and shared so many things. Gift is given to all the monkeys, okay? Now, afterwards, all the monkeys went to Rama's coronation there in a Pattabhishekam. So after the Pattabhishekam, so all the things, the gifts were given to all the monkeys. It's very beautiful. Sarve vanara virdascha ye chanye vanarottama. All the vanaras and birds. Vasobihi bhushanaihi. Different cloth, costly cloth, bhushanai. Yatarham pradipujitaha. All the senior ones among the vanaras, as also others who were the foremost among them, were honored with raiment and ornaments according to their deserts. This is very important. So this, more than this, Yatarham pratipujitaha. Valmiki is a highly practical Rishi, Valmiki. This line has been written in Treta Yuga. Now we are in Kali Yuga, in the modern world. This line is very, very powerful line. When you recognize, you have to recognize according to their age and according to their work. Yatarham. This word is very, very important word. Yatarham. Pratipujitaha. Honored. Yatarham means first, those who contributed so much, first priority. So this much contribution, second priority. This much contribution, third priority. It's like the priority is given and age also is given. Rama took all the list perfectly. The first name, second name, third name should be like this. This is where the place where we make mistake. Man has done very simple contribution. Because we like that person, we will give first to this person. Finished. Program has gone. Sir, you like that person, that is different. The person who contributed, that is different. The person who contributed, the more you have to give first preference. You like someone, that is different. Because you like this person, you brought that person first finished. That is not leadership. You are leader, then you have to see the task. There is, if you recognize people there, you should not bring likes and dislikes. This you have to learn from Yatarham, the word Yatarham, according to their work ability, according to their contribution, one by one. Wherever you go around the world, say, I contributed so much, they have given very little, that's all. Hereafter, I will not come here. I did so much, but they told about me only 4 lines. She contributed very little, but 15 lines about her introduction. Only 4 lines. That also not very powerful lines. This is my last program here, that's all. Don't call me for any program. So I removed my name from this group, that's all. WhatsApp group. I removed. Go. Hereafter I will not come. Understanding this kind of mentality, Rama yatarham pratipujitaha. Okay. First Jambavan, old age. Sugriva, Hanuman, Angada, Nila, Nala, Mainda, it goes like that. If you give first to Vibhishna, finished. The Vibhishna came now only. We were there right from the beginning. Vibhishna was getting a gift first. What is this? Then if you call Sugriva after Vibhishna, I am not coming. Okay, I will come. I have some wound in my over that. Like I will come later. Simply the wound will come immediately there. Why I don't want to come there to get gift. You understand how they react? So this kind of what do you call the technique or what do you call the psychological the system we should know. Yatarham pratipujita. So that is very important. We have to learn from Ramayana. Yeah, they have done work. You have to give some gift. Honor them, honoring the people. Okay. Now, in the honor, the Hanuman has got Sita Devi's mala. Sita Devi has given her mala, the necklace, to Hanuman. And he was started wearing. Suppose you are a Hanuman Bhakta, if you do Hanuman meditation, if you have Hanuman's darshan, Hanuman used to wear the Sita's mala. You can have that kind of darshan. Sita has given her own mala to Hanuman. And this is the Lord Ranganatha. This is Ikshvaku Kuladanam. The Ikshvaku Vamsa, all the kings were doing puja to Lord Ranganatha. And this Lord Ranganatha, along with the Gopuram, our Rama has given this Lord Ranganatha to Vibhishana. Vibhishana, you contributed so much, please you take this temple with you. I'll give you Ikshvaku Kuladanam. So he took Lord Ranganatha and he said and started moving to Lanka. So from Ayodhya, when he was coming to Lanka in Tamil Nadu, at that the bank of Kaveri, he kept there. He kept the bank of Kaveri and started doing his puja. The daily puja. He kept there and did puja, came back and about to take Lord Ranganatha. Lord Ranganatha said, I am not coming to Lanka. He must be knowing that there will be so many problems in Lanka for more than 40 years. I will not come. I will be here. The Srirangam was a kshetram. He took that Srirangam as his abode and he started giving the blessings to all the devotees. This is how we got Lord Ranganatha temple in Tamil Nadu. So we are very much lucky to have Lord Ranganatha in Tamil Nadu. We are not very lucky because we have Lord Ranganatha. No, we are very lucky because we took birth in Tamil Nadu to have darshan of Lord Ranganatha. And Lord told that you go to Lanka, every day you come and you do puja. So during night time. So even now also, the last person who has completed the puja in Lord Ranganatha's temple, next day he will not come early morning. Because during the night time, the Vibhishna will come and do puja. The same person, the same priest, if he comes in the morning, then he will be watching something has happened in the temple, inside the sanctum. So still the tradition is going on. Okay? Lord Ranganatha is given as gift. And this is the Guru photo for Pattabhishan. After Pattabhishan, you have to bring all the people should be there to take the Guru photo. Otherwise, people will be very upset. All Hanuman, Sugriva, Angada, Nila, Nala, Jamban, all these people, all the monkeys together. Very big Guru photos. During Pattabhishan. Okay, then. That's the leadership insight. The leadership insight, recognize Recognize again and again to the people. That is very important. You have to recognize the people. Words of praise must be exhibited immediately. So without any, what do you call it? You have to give words. Vachaneka daridrata. Simply they are very happy. What daridra? You have just give them nice words. You are very good. Great job. Excellent. In front of all the people, they feel very happy. Their ego also should be satisfied. Good. Very happy. Slowly they will come out of the recognition. But first, the leader should recognize. Members become more committed to their job if you recognize more. Give some post, power, money, and recognize them. Then only they will commit to the company. Otherwise, they will not commit. I worked so many years, no recognition. No, why should I? They will become vexed. And they don't contribute. If they get the recognition, then they will contribute more and more. Should be scheduled properly. Schedule should be properly. Who is first person? Who is second person? Who is third person? If you miss the first person, then if you put the first person in the 10th place, finished. His ego is crashed and then he will not come. So the scheduling is very, very important. Who should be first? Who should be the second, third? Therefore, I told is yatargham pratipujitaha, according to their work contribution and the age. Delayed appreciation is not valued. They appreciate, but they delayed. Last month, this person has done at that time, that moment, if you appreciate, then that will pick it up. If you miss the moment, not. So this person is doing some very nice sweet, then at that time you eat the sweet without telling them. After 1 week, last week you made sweet, that was very excellent. What sweet I made? Person has forgotten completely. No value for that recognition. So on the spot, it's immediately how to do. The timing is very important for the recognition. Timing. Okay? All these things delayed. Therefore, our Rama asked Hanuma, Vibhishana. Vibhishana immediately gives something to the members. Immediately after the war, you have to give them first. Let them be happy. Then afterwards, we can recognize the Ayodhya, the Pattabhishek. So these are all the things. First, you have something. The nice news, you have something. Then afterwards, I will give you recognition. This is very important for any company. Particularly, if you become a manager or the CEO, you should have the very large hearted to appreciate the people. The appreciation will work like a magical, the stone. Appreciation. So everybody needs that appreciation in the public. Appreciate. Priyavakya pradhanena sarve tushyanti jantava. Priyavakya, if you give, all people are very happy. We are not going to spend money. If I say one word, I will spend $10. No, simply words. You are good, that's all. You worked very hard, great. So without missing anyone, okay? This is the last point of this. Jai Shri Ram. Okay? So many points we have covered from Ramayana. Very, very practical book. So you take Ramayana, if you read, so you just look at Ramayana in this way. And you also can get so many points for your life. Very, very practical book. So I never referred any or the market book, the management book. I never study any management market book. I see the life experience with the people. Then you read Ramayana, you connect Ramayana with the life, with the experience. Then you also lead a successful life. Okay, these are the insights from Ramayana. Okay, the question, today's question. Do you have that question? Yeah. There are two questions. How to deal with the leaders who lacks technical knowledge of the job? Okay. And the details and expects everyone to execute based on his calculation expectations. In this case, sometimes it is impossible to achieve his goals. Yeah. So the leader doesn't have technical knowledge of his job and he expects everyone to execute based on his calculation expectation. He is not having any knowledge, and he is telling some information, and you all should work according to his information. That's all. You know, the leader is hopeless leader. No knowledge. And message also is not good. So your condition is a very bad condition that the company. So what to do with this kind of leader? So you have to see if this leader is a top leader or an intermediate leader. If it's intermediate leader, just to do your work for the top leader, do your work for the company, just ignore this leader. Otherwise, he is the top leader, he is giving the instructions, simply do his the instruction and just you move in your way, that's all. Otherwise, you resign the job and go to some other company. These are all the choices. Suppose you are very good with your own activity, your leader is part is very small, then you can adjust with the leader, then you can move. Otherwise, if the leader takes any decision, whole company is getting affected, you are also affected. Don't worry. If I get affected, the whole company will get affected. There is no problem in it. Everybody will get problem. So you have to understand the situation. According to, you have to make your mental attitude. So this is not, I cannot give a very specific thing. I do not know what kind of leader, what kind of instruction, how many people you have. So whether you have financial background or not, suppose if you leave the job, will you get other job or not? There are so many things are involved. Yeah, the leader is not good. He is not a technical person, not having anything. If he does something, just you keep on doing it. That's all. No other go. If there is no other go, you want to do it. Okay. If you have other job, other ways to handle it, then handle it. How to handle it? Report about him to the top leader. Or whatever he says, just do it. Or his part is very small, then you do your job and you contribute your time, one little time to this leader. Or if you think this whole system is wrong, then you have to change the company. So there are so many things are involved. According to that, you can take the decision. Okay. Swamiji suggested that leader should take everyone's opinion and make the decision. Okay. You want to take all the opinion and make the decision. He or she thinks is right. How can we know ours is the right decision? Okay, when you take how can we know our decision is right? Itself is not the good line. So you have to have confidence on your own thinking. You should be very, very clear. Rama is very clear that I have to take Vibhishna inside. Why? He is coming from opposite side. He knows my ability. He heard all the things about my activity. 14,000 Rakshasas I killed in the Janasthana. He must have heard. And I killed Vali. He heard everything and he is coming here. So if I take Ravana inside, then I can finish my job very quickly because he knows the knowledge of the opposite area. If anybody comes from other company, how to take this fellow and you have to keep watching this fellow. Whether he is as a spy, he has come here. Otherwise, with all honestly has come from other company. First, you have to watch him. Then only you have to take him inside. So Rama decided, I have to take this fellow inside. He decided, and you took him inside. So okay, you decide and take. And when you take inside, so Rama is very clear, my decision is like that only. There is no doubt about it. So here you are asking whether my decision is wrong or right. If you say that my decision is wrong or right, then you are not in the right position to decide. Decision means you have to have all the information, consequences, and what will be the result, positive, negative, everything you have to analyze and you have to take the decision. First, leader should think more before calling the people and asking their opinion. So you think more and you call for the meeting. And this is my thinking and this is your contribution. So all this put together and make calculation and you finish your final decision. The final decision also should be with your direction only. Sometimes if you do not know how to decide, then you take a message or information from other people, you come into one decision. Most of the leaders, what they do, they have their own idea, everything churned and reflected, kept. And if you come, ask other people, they are very happy. Just to please them, ask them. And sometimes you have your own decision and their idea also will coincide with your idea. You are very comfortable. Sometimes. So for at that time, no need to manage because my thought, your thought also is the same and it's very easy. No need to have 2 hours meeting. Half an hour meeting is okay. Is it okay?
Yes.
Two questions.
Yes, Swamiji.
Thank you, Swamiji. Swamiji,
Hari Om.
we would like to offer a vote of thanks if Ganesh will do that. If
Okay.
Swamiji is okay.
So, Hari Om Swamiji.
Hari Om, Ganesh.
Swamiji, before doing the vote of thanks, we just want to take a small trip down memory lane of Swamiji's visit here to Pittsburgh. So I'm just going to share my screen here. So we are offering our gratitude to Swamiji for everything. And these are a few memories, Swamiji, of Swamiji's visit.
Oh, so many years back, okay.
Yeah, this is in 2013. And this one was, I think, a few years back, 2018, I think. This is with all of our volunteers here at the CMP. And I know, Swamiji, you're big into audio video, so we also have a special black and white picture of the same.
Okay.
So, and again, our gratitude to Swamiji for everything. Now, I will actually pass on the mic to Sheila, and she'll give the formal vote of thanks.
Hari Om Swamiji. Hari
Hari
Om
Om.
everyone. The past few days have been mesmerizing to say the least. As Swamiji taught us how practical these ideas are from our Itihasas and Shastras. When we think of Ramayana or Bhagavatam or Gita, usually we have reverence, bhakti, and respect. But I feel Swamiji has immensely helped us broaden our vision. Swamiji shared such amazing examples like how to improve affinity amongst team members, how to train a successor, goal setting, decision making, team building, choosing the right person for the job, etc. I have no doubt that we will broaden our outlook towards our scriptures henceforth. The other eye-opening thing for me was how Swamiji humanizes our deities and gods. Swamiji cautioned us towards the fact that if we maintain this huge gap of reverence between ourselves, the Jiva and Bhagwan, we run the risk of not learning anything. We will never reach our true potential. Bhakti is one thing, but learning and imbibing lessons from Bhagwan and our deities is the key. Thank you, Swamiji, for this wonderful line of thinking. Lastly, we have to call out the wonderful graphics and the audio video medium that Swamiji has prepared for us. It was simply superb. It almost felt like we were, in person watching you and listening to the discourse. We can only imagine the number of hours Swamiji would have spent creating them. It is all because of this compassion that Swamiji has towards us all. For this Karunyam, love and compassion, on behalf of CMP and all others gathered here today, I offer my heartfelt gratitude to Swamiji.
Hari Om, Hari Om. Nice time I had. A few days. We'll meet in some other program. May Gurudev bless you. Lord Rama bless you. Hari Om.
So we'll do the Aarti now. We'll do the...
Okay.
Swamiji, lot more discourses. I'm going to come after Swamiji for more discourses. So we'll be in touch.
आरती चिन्मय सद्गुरु की दिव्य रूप
मूर्ति करुणा की आरती सद्गुरु की
चरणों में उनके शांति समाये, शरणागत की भ्रांति मिटाए, पाप ताप संताप हरण की आरती श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरु की, आरती सद्गुरु की। वेदोपनिषद गीता को गाया, धर्म सनातन फिर से जगाया, शुद्ध नीति प्रीति शंकर की, आरती श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरु की, आरती सद्गुरु की। सिद्ध बाड़ी की तपोभूमि में नित्य विराजे गुरु हमारे, भक्त हृदय आनंद स्रोत की, आरती श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरु की, आरती सद्गुरु की, आरती सद्गुरु की। ओम पूर्णमद पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते, पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। हरिः ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम।
Hari Om Swamiji.
See you all.
Hari Om.
Right, Swamiji, thank you.
Hari Om.
Hari Om Swamiji.
Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om.
Swamiji.
Okay? Living? Hari Om.
Hari Om, Swamiji.
Hari Om
Thank you.
Swamiji.